Hi inJoypreneurs! Ready na ba kayo for more scramble recipes? Today, we will share 2 more creamy and overload dessert recipes using inJoy Scramble. Let's start! First, prepare lang natin ang ating inJoy Mango Scramble. I'm sure nakikita niyo na itong ganitong dessert, especially sa mga inJoypreneurs na K-drama lovers. Good thing about inJoy Scramble powder, once i-mix siya sa crushed ice, talagang makikita mo yung pag-alsa niya. Perfect na perfect ang mixture. Once prepared na ang ating scramble mixture, we can now prepare our Pinoy-styled bingsu using inJoy Scramble. We just need sliced mango, inJoy mango syrup, inJoy fun frap, and you can also add marshmallows. Ang ganda ng presentation, di ba? Talagang madali itong ibenta kahit online. Nakakatakam rin yung itsura, super easy to prepare, at very Instagrammable pa. Now let's proceed to our next recipe, which is Melon Scramble. We'll be doing the same procedure. Make sure tama yung measurement mo to achieve the perfect mixture. For a 22-ounce cup, we just need 1/4 cup of inJoy Scramble powder plus 2 cups of crushed ice. For our 16-ounce cup, we just need 1/4 cup of inJoy Scramble powder plus 1 1/2 cup of crushed ice. For our 12-ounce cup, we just need 2 tablespoons of inJoy Scramble powder and 1 cup of crushed ice. And for our Melon Scramble toppings, we just need melon fruit, condensed milk, sprinkles, and inJoy fun frap. Healthy and creamy dessert na pasok sa budget. Promise guys, ang sarap niya. Para ka na rin kumakain ng ice cream. And that's it! Just comment below if you have any recipe suggestions at itatry natin yan using inJoy products. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel at inJoy Philippines Official for more recipe business ideas. I-share mo na rin ito para sa mga kapamilya o kaibigan mo na gustong magnegosyo. You can also follow us on our Facebook page at inJoy Philippines for more updates. Thanks for watching! Bye!